Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast outside the Hard Rock Cafe in Amsterdam. Lots of bicyclists going by. See all around the different places: Irish pub, Holland casino, souvenir shop, Hard Rock shop, steakhouse. A little windy, a little drizzle. It's been off and on rain, but overall pretty good. Lots of outdoor dining tables and plants. Coming up on Rembrandt's Amsterdam experience. A lot of places here they call museums, including lots of memorabilia, gifts, and a bike in the window. Seems to be closed now, but during the day, probably open. 25-minute immersive experience. Lots of shirts and other items in the gift shop. See the experience. And lots of bikes going by. See city theater, apartments, buildings, gymnasium, this one says, older. And this building, Paradiso, one of my favorite metal bands, Epica, performed there. They're from the Netherlands, performing in the Netherlands. And here comes one of those trolleys or trams. See it pass by, the accordion style through the middle. Another one coming by, has a wrap on the side, Yoi Walibi, ride the other side. Pretty cool passing by. You see lots of the lanes in the middle as these come by. Not a place for driving, at least not in this area. A lot of the streets are narrow through here and restricted, so you won't see cars everywhere. It's lots of bikes and public transit. It's pretty safe to be a pedestrian in this area. The metro on this side, you could see Leidstein, if I'm saying that correctly. Take the metro, get to there. A lot more shops on this end. You can see the restaurants. On this side, Pancake Corner. See the art, see the murals on the wall. A park type area. People waiting for the public transit. In the center, starting to rain more. See some signs, no public drinking, no open alcohol. The rain is coming down, and here comes another one of these public transit vehicles, trams or trolleys going through the center. So pretty cool getting the video of these, seeing these pass by. It's about a 20-minute walk from Hard Rock to the hotel that I'm staying at. It's so nice to be able to see so much within walking distance. Very easy to get around, to walk around for sure. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.